Enabling BitLocker Drive Encryption in Windows 10. Sign in to your Windows computer with an administrator account. Search for and open Manage BitLocker. Click Turn on BitLocker. Follow the on-screen prompts to finish setup. When prompted, select the option to back up your recovery key. Note: Microsoft does not recommend printing your recovery keys or saving them to a file. Use an Active Directory backup or a cloud-based backup instead. Click Save to your Microsoft account to save the recovery key to your Microsoft account. Click Save to your cloud domain account to save the recovery key to your company's cloud domain. Click Save to a USB flash drive to save the key to a removable USB flash drive. Click Save to a file to save your key to a .txt file on your computer's hard drive. Click Print the recovery key to print the recovery key and store the document in a safe location. Note: You can also back up the recovery key later if required by searching for and opening Manage BitLocker and then clicking Back up your recovery key. Depending on the selected backup method and the BitLocker type, the steps to finish the process may vary. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete enabling BitLocker encryption for your computer.